Welcome to NUKE Consulting Engineering Services Private Limited, your partner for industrial and medical X-ray manufacturing and imaging solutions. NUKE is an engineering, design, and development center for industrial and medical X-ray imaging solutions. NUKE offers high-frequency medical X-ray OEM SKD solutions for handheld dental and medical, portable monoblock HF medical, and veterinary. Apart from this, HF generator from 24 kilowatts to 40 kilowatts in single phase and 50 kilowatts to 80 kilowatts in three-phase for various medical applications. All the X-ray generator comes with CE certification, paving direct way to ship as SKD component to our partner's country. We offer a range of dental X-ray module manufacturing solutions, including gun type, camera type, and floor and wall mounted modules with various generator rating. Our indigenously developed handheld portable X-ray system features a proprietary HF generator design and is fully portable and battery operated. This made-in-India OEM-ready platform is compatible with DR panels and has field-proven clinical deployment. NUKE provides X-ray module manufacturing solutions, such as the mobile medical X-ray module, fixed medical X-ray module, and the C-arm medical fluoroscopy module, each with specific technical specifications. Our flat panel detector solutions for medical and industrial applications include both wired and wireless DR systems. The sizes available are 14 by 17 inch and 17 by 17 inch. The OEM and SKD model is our strength, offering scalability without factory duplication. We supply SKD parts like HF generators and DR panels for local assembly, lowering import duty. This model allows for customization and faster deployment. Our handheld HF portfolio, MinX and MinX Pro, are suitable for human and veterinary radiology. In this medical handheld portable X-ray beam energy ranges 60 kilovolts to 70 kilovolts, and tube current ranges 2 milliamperes to 5 milliamperes. We offer SKD parts and OEM customization for color, branding, and user interface image customization. Our HF monoblock X-ray source is available in 5.6 kilowatts and 6.3 kilowatts and is powered by battery as well, 220 VAC line supply. These units are designed for complete human and veterinary radiology. We offer various SKD components and options for OEM customization. Optional compatible mechanical accessories include a spring-balanced mobile stand for mobile X-ray use and a floor-mounted fixed X-ray stand for stable, fixed installations. We offer single-phase HF generators with X-ray sources in 32 kilowatts and 40 kilowatts outputs. These are used for complete human and veterinary radiology. SKD parts include the control panel, tube head, and generator, with options for OEM customization. Optional mechanical accessories are compatible with these generators, including the mobile stand for mobility and the floor-mounted fixed X-ray stand for permanent locations. Our three-phase HF generators with X-ray sources are available in 50 kilowatts and 80 kilowatts models. They are ideal for comprehensive human and veterinary radiology. SKD options include the control panel, tube head, and generator, with full OEM customization available. We offer compatible mechanical accessories for fixed HF systems. This floor-mounted fixed stand provides smooth movement and high mechanical stability for accurate positioning. Our OEM and private label customization solutions for flat panel detectors include customized branding in the image processing software. For private label customization, we offer visual identity, branding, and software UI tailoring. The OEM and SKD logistics model simplifies distribution. We supply semi-knockdown kits for local assembly, offering advantages like lower import duties. Full technical support is provided, including SOPs and training. Our logistics model simplifies global deployment. We empower partners to build their own branded imaging solutions. Private label customization covers visual identity through color options, branding via labeling and logo embedding, and software UI customization with distributor branding. We partner with medical equipment distributors, local assemblers, diagnostic chains, and government tendering partners. Join our global network to expand your portfolio, turning your business in high-quality imaging solutions with scalability. Engineering expertise, manufacturing flexibility, OEM scalability, Partners gain access to advanced technology while reducing development time and investment risks. So order lead time is very short, less than a week in maximum product portfolio. Trust begins with compliance. NUKE operates under BIS product certification, CDSCO medical device licensing, and AERB approvals for both industrial and medical X-ray manufacturing. These certifications ensure safety, quality, and regulatory readiness, giving our global OEM partners confidence for faster deployment and reliable collaboration worldwide. If you are seeking a reliable OEM supply partner for X-ray and imaging solutions, NUKE is ready to collaborate. Join our global network and bring advanced imaging technology to your region, faster, smarter, and stronger. Contact us through email to sales@starnukemail.net or via WhatsApp, or call to +9170735777706.